Assalamualaikum and hi. Today, we will present our mini project for the subject Mechanical Part CAD Drawing Presentation. Our group is Group 3 from class FTB 1C and our lecturer is Puan Liu Wan Chun. These are the members of our group. I am Krotal Hazika binti Zaharul Nikman, the leader. I coordinated the group, checked measurements, and ensured the final drawing was accurate.
Okay, so my name is Nur Hidayah binti Madun. I am the orthographic drafter. I create orthographic projection drawing.
My name is Nur Azmatul Hidayah. I'm isometric drafter and I create isometric view drawing using CAD.
My name is Vidya Lakshmi Anna Prompanti Ramas. I did documentation and presentation where I compile, report, insert images, and prepare slides and present.
For this mini project, our group selected a handsaw as the object to study and redraw using CAD software. The handsaw is a common manual tool in woodworking and small construction tasks, making it easy to observe and measure. By choosing this tool, we could analyze both curved and straight features, which allowed us to apply various engineering drawing techniques. We started by taking an isometric photograph, then measure and examine its structure before converting it into technical drawing based on engineering standards.
Okay, so the main objective of this project is to construct a complete set of engineering drawings for the handsaw using CAD software. This includes determining all dimensions through careful measurement and applying them accurately in the drawing process. The project aims to produce an orthographic projection using the third angle method as well as a detailed isometric view of the handsaw. Additional objectives include applying proper engineering standards such as the use of layers, line types, annotation, and scaling. Finally, the project aims to compile the drawing into a well-organized A3 size PDF format for submission. Okay, so this is the handsaw that we use as our reference to create orthographic projection and isometric drawing. Okay, so as you can see, this is the orthographic projection drawing for the handsaw. We have the title block in the orthographic projection drawing, and also we can see the top, the front, and the side view of the handsaw.
Our isometric view drawing. This is we can see a third 3D view from this isometric, which is include title include our title blocks, and we have used several type of line used in this project. Several type of line were used to meet engineering drawing standard. Visible lines were applied to show the main outline of the handsaw, while hidden lines were used to represent features that cannot be seen in a particular view, such as internal screw position. Construction line help guide the drawing process but were not included in the final part. Dimension and extension line were added to clearly indicate the measurement of the blade and handle, and the center line were used to identify the center of symmetrical or circular features. Type We have used two type of projection in the drawing. The orthographic projection was created using the third angle projection method, providing clear front, top, and side view of the handsaw. This method allowed the object to be fully described in 2D. An isometric projection were also produced to present a 3D view of the handsaw, making it easier to visualize the overall shape and structure of the object.
Moving on, multiple layers were created to organize the drawing effectively. The object layer was used for all visible outlines, while the construction layer stored temporary guidelines. The dimension layer contained all measurement and notation, and the hidden layer was used for invisible features. Additional layers such as visible ISO and orthographic help separate elements for isometric and orthographic views. Each layer was assigned different colors and line types to keep the drawing clear and well organized. Finally, other important elements included a title block containing project details, the correct use of line weights for clarity, and the selection of an appropriate scale to fit the drawing on an A3 sheet. All final drawings were arranged neatly and exported to PDF format for proper presentation. In conclusion, this mini project has provided us with meaningful experience in understanding and applying engineering drawing principles. By choosing a handsaw as our project, we were able to carry out the full reverse engineering process, beginning with capturing the isometric image and continuing with taking accurate physical measurements. Translating these measurements into detailed CAD drawing allowed us to develop a deeper appreciation for precision, accuracy, and proper use of projection methods. Creating the orthographic views using third angle projection and generating the isometric views strengthened our ability to visualize objects in both two-dimensional and three-dimensional formats. Through this process, we also gain hands-on practice in selecting appropriate line types, organizing drawings using layers, and applying clear annotation and dimension that follow engineering standards. Additionally, this project has helped us to grow in terms of technical documentation and professional presentation skills. Compiling the final drawings in an A3 layout and presenting them in PDF format required us to follow proper engineering drawing conventions. Writing the report also encourages us to reflect on our workflow and the steps taken to produce an accurate and organized technical drawing. Overall, the project has enhanced our understanding of CAD software, improved our attention to detail, and prepared us for more advanced engineering design tasks in the future. The knowledge and practical skills gained from this assignment will be highly useful as we continue to develop as engineering students. That is all from us. Thank you.